Hey, I know you were looking for another lipstick tutorial from me, but today you're getting a messy bun. Let's get started. The first thing to realize is that all these videos and tutorials, they tell you that there's like complicated steps and tools you need, and this isn't rocket science. It's a messy bun. It's like actually it's geometry or something. So I'm gonna give you just the simple steps and tools you're gonna need, and just keep them in mind as you're doing a messy bun. The first thing you're gonna need is a level. So you can find actually where the top of the flat part of your head is, where it's like level. Now I usually find it's at the top, but actually these aren't really, you really don't need to use that. And then the next thing I need to use is a measuring tape to find out where the 6 on your head is, okay? So do it from ear to ear, and then you just want to land on the 6. Actually, I kind of can't tell, so just kind of guesstimate where the 6 is. You should be able to kind of just like figure it out. I just wanted to let you know too, a lot of people that don't know how to do buns and stuff, they use one of these. So, if you're just kind of starting out, you might need one, just a tip, okay? Then you're gonna swoop your hair up into, of course, a messy ponytail, because all messy buns start with a messy ponytail. You're just gonna like kind of figure out how to make the actual bun part. Okay, you know what? Let's try this. This might be kind of fun. You just put that on there and figure it out, and there you go. So now you just want to put like a rubber band on top of that and figure out like how to hide these extra strands. I'm gonna stick a pin in them, and the most important thing to remember is that if it doesn't work the first time, you can always try again. Okay, so have fun and be beautiful.